All right, today we are doing a review of this motorbike phone mount that I found on Amazon. It is the BP05 bike phone mount from Lamicall. You see a picture of it on the box there. A nice tight box, some information on the back, a few different languages, QR code, or sorry, barcode I mean. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. So you can scan this. Not sure what you get when you do. Little user manual, a few different languages. So the actual mount looks like it's in a little bag. Got a package here. All right, push here to set your phone. So pretty easy design. I've seen these hold the plus size phones, so you can do smaller or larger phones. It's nice, it's got kind of a spring retraction. This must be the mount, and then it looks like it's got just a little lock or unlock switch there. Let's see what that's all about. Open that up. And this must be the clamp. So pretty easy design. Looks like you just unwind this, clamp it on your handlebar, tighten it up. And this portion must just, oh, let's see. Okay. So put that on there, stick that in, tighten this up, and then that's how it basically mounts onto the phone holder and on the bike. This part itself, let's see, okay, so you can actually lock this into a size if you want, once it gets to the size you like, if you want to do it that way. So, okay, yeah, pretty good product. It's, you know, well constructed. I don't see any real flaws in it or anything like that. It's got kind of a rubber backing here too, which is great. Helps with the vibrations and everything. A little bit of rubber inside here as well. Yeah, this should work well. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this unboxing. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that like button on this video. If you like these videos, click the bell icon and you'll be notified for more. I will put a link to this product on Amazon in the comment section, so if you want to go check it out, you can. All right, have a great day.